The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. Yeah, man. Come for address a thing here. And we don't have a long talk. If you notice, we don't follow up the social media thing, but we make the people them know, because me personally like blood clot thief. See, I mean, like carbon copy. You see me? You have a little pussy. See? I follow up my thing. Use my name to rap people. Here. I'm gonna play that. Gunshot me deal with. I'm not clowning with no boy. I'm not walk up and no bag of talk and beg no boy if you take down nothing. Pussy, we find you. Why you zoom it in still? Zoom it in German. See it here. Yeah, man. See a pussy name? About him name Everton Brown, Mad Cobra. You understand? Pussy take up my image, put my image on it. See it there? Use my name and I rap people. Come back here, so. See? My youth. I go as far as, I can get to me on a level. All me. Carly and a Sykes, so you try style me. See? I send money through MoneyGram and Western Union. They not get involved in no talking in the depths, but just make you know, say, me know. See? I mean, I call no department, I mean, I have to talk no name where you put on this. See? Your blood clot number, people, son man. Hear me, I say to Uno. In the future, I say to another business, Uno want a splice song me attack, you know. The man they want original song from, not only me, from other artists, you name it. Any artist want a song, it have to be from me. Beg them a face call. See? Like a boy have to give you a video call. You see who you are deal with. Now send the money go give the man. So. See? If artists don't want to do it, if splice take him. When you don't advise me personally. See? You go so buff, you make the link, and you get a video call to me. Me think out there, anybody who go link me, I go know say me a sound man. Me don't want when time. This is for the man who splice a catch, you know. Anytime the splice are them catch, you know. Me no want to find me number, you know, after and call me, you know. Because you could have find it before. You see me? I'm not going to talk, and I will pretty talk. I'm going to tell little pussy, say, love me thing. Me, call you where they on the Sykes, you tell me, say, you're there. No call, because you don't know my voice. Me go so boom, and WhatsApp you. Chat you up on WhatsApp, you tell me, say, you're there, man, to go be, you're there down the with Spraga Benz and Anthony B. And if you send money, see, then me make my virgin talk to you after. You tell my virgin, say, you're there, Guyana. You're there on tour of Guyana. And you no longer live in Jamaica, you live in Pennsylvania. Pussy no played me, man. See, just leave me thing alone, general. You understand? I mean, I don't know about talk or some man talk. I don't make the people know, say, that pussy there, we put up the thing about Everton Brown, Mad Cobra. We are go around and I take people money. I talk about say, Ray, you hear the pussy all I do to know. 1 hour, 200, how much money is tell you, Jerry?
$250.
$250 you can get 3 songs from me. Pussy, how you do nothing, I'm to you, brother. You hear that? Young lad tell you, say, leave me thing alone. You hear me, general? Just love it. Me now walk and look for you, know. Me go walk up in here one day. You don't have to be now. But just look out here.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Seriousskilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, there's 2 more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. But before I present those 2 videos to you, I am going to talk to you a little bit about this video that is out on social media, you know. And the person that you see in the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, that person is a Jamaican artist that goes by the name of Mad Cobra. You see me? Some persons might say Mad Cobra, and you know, depending on how you might, you know, pronunciate the words. Yeah, but you know, I'm just telling you based on how I understand it. All right. Yeah, and he's talking about you know, this thing where, you know, he's saying that someone, you know, went online and pretended to be him. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, something like that. I call that, you know, online impersonation. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I call it that way. You know, there might be other names for it, you see me? And based on what he's saying, it would seem as if this person that he's talking about is trying to collect money from persons out there in his name. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, viewers and subscribers, he went on to explain that, you know, persons should be careful of, you know, persons out there that might be pretending to be him. You know, and he's trying to let persons know that, you know, they need to do certain things when they're trying to contact him and to be careful. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so that's Mad Cobra saying some things. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, we're going to move on to the next video right about now. You see what I'm saying to you? And this video, I find this video to be interesting. You know? Now, this video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, right about now, is a video where someone is explaining about earthquakes in Jamaica, right? Yeah, earthquakes, it might sound that way, but take a look at this video and then I will say something more about it, alright? Look at this video, listen and observe.
Well, see that pole here is a pole where them put the Jamaican flag span at school, right? Most mornings or sometimes for the week it shake. Look. See it shake? Alright, this pole it go about 8 feet or more, I think, probably down in the earth, but it's really far. Right? And each time template they move, I will look at earthquake. Because this pole have some flexibility in it. It do move at times. Shake. But day and night already everything a bang up so. I wonder how I go on. So I have to ask some boss here, how far is going to go? He said far, 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 far. Right? You must see a breeze I'll do him. See a breeze now I'm doing for the shake so. You see that? The pretty thing we get earthquake in Jamaica all the way we just now feel it.
Basically, this person is saying that the earth is always trembling. We're always getting earthquake, we're just not feeling it. That is how I understand it. And that, you know, viewers and subscribers, according to scientists, and I have to say according to scientists because I have never been to space, you know what I mean? I've never, you know, get the chance to do certain experiments to prove certain things. So therefore, I have to say according to scientists, or you can say according to astronauts as well, you know. And it is said that the earth rotates. You see what I'm saying to you? So therefore, if the earth rotates, you know, in my belief, nothing really stands still. You know, there is always some form of a vibration to my belief, based on what I think about what has been said about the earth rotates. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so therefore this whole thing where this person is saying in the video that you know, the earthquake keeps on happening, or you know, the earth is always trembling, you know, showing the pole in the air shaking and these things, you know, I have a belief, you know, I believe that. Yeah, I could be right, you know, I can be right and I can be wrong, but I believe that. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But let me know what you think about that one, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Yeah. Alright, well, the final video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, it's going to show off, you know, the Jamaican artist that is known as Baby Cham. And he's singing something, you know, singing a song that he did some time ago. You see me? And the reason why I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because, you know, the things that Baby Cham had said in that song that had been done a long time ago, and he's singing it over, you know, it says a lot. It says enough. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And what I mean by it says enough is that the words from that song basically connects with some of the things that is happening nowadays. You see me, the violence and crime within Jamaica and all them things, the viewers and subscribers. So when him do over about that song, viewers and subscribers, to me it's like, you know, in basically no need to say nothing more. The song itself says it a lot. You see me? Yeah, and I'm going to present this to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, and you can tell me what you think. You see me? Yeah, Baby Cham singing the song will say, what could have possessed a man? So me call it. You see me? Yeah, so take a look, listen, and observe.
So I could have possessed a man for turn a AK-47 pan a young woman and have the heart to send her go to Neverland. Me have a question. When the kill off the woman, them want to do? F man in what could have possessed a youth? Philip down a baby mother and a little youth. Look how she beg him and a plea, but him still a shoot and come back on the corner and a laugh like him think say it cute. No man, them brother you mad. World, when you read the news, it not make you sad. Man a shut up all church, then I saw them bad. Hold on the man, wanna try to tell me say, gunman no rate God, government wanna what go do. You see it look into me eyes, did I tell you no? Some man a talk about them a shot at them a idipo. I must a cow push them out, cause me can't believe them have mother too. And that's how we know it go, and that's how we do it thing. Yard man a murder all the man and kill suckling. And some sick people do them thing they are foreign. You me lose half a una, with them man a study king, and no study get to run. And no rumor me a spread, but man no rape like a pit near Jamaica and no dead. Man no rob poor people and the dan no bus cement. Man no burn down house with old people in a bed. You a Sherlock me live, so me know certain flex. Man no thief a phone card in case him need for send a text. Man no run go for him strap when the man a man vex. But bad man no lay down with the same sex. Me and my mother sit down pon me veranda. Conscience, check it.
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. And you can also tell me what you think about these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, yeah? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.